Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money through the Wells Fargo app or wire transfer. Let's get started. First, open your Wells Fargo mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll see all of your accounts displayed on the main screen. At the bottom of your screen, locate and tap on the Pay and Transfer option. This will open up the menu where you can access all of Wells Fargo's money movement services. From the Pay and Transfer menu, select the Transfer option located at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Money Transfer interface, where you can set up your transaction. Now you'll need to select where you want to transfer money from. Choose the account that will be funding this wire transfer. Then select the destination for your transfer, which would be the external account or recipient you're sending money to. Choose how often you want this transfer to occur. You can select a one-time transfer or set up recurring transfers if needed. Enter the amount you wish to send, keeping in mind that wire transfers typically have higher limits than standard transfers. Select your delivery speed. You can choose between next business day delivery or standard delivery, which may take 2 to 3 business days. Wire transfers sent today can go up to $15,000 for next day delivery or $5,000 for 2 business day delivery. You have the option to add a memo to your transfer for reference purposes. Once all details are entered, tap Continue to review your transaction. Review all the information on the confirmation page carefully, then confirm the transfer to complete your wire transaction. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.